As a homeowner, staying on top of maintenance is key to preserving your investment and ensuring a comfortable living environment. Knowing how to address common issues can save you time and money in the long run. Let's explore essential homeowner maintenance practices to help keep your home in top condition. Caulking is one of the most common items of homeowner maintenance. For example, your countertops may pull away from the walls with seasonal changes. We recommend you inspect your home each year around springtime. Common places that will need recaulked are bathrooms, kitchens, around windows, door frames, and exterior trim. When selecting the caulk, the quality of the caulk selected will determine the amount of time the caulking will last. Also note, silicone caulking is not paintable. You'll need to replace your furnace filter every month to keep the unit running properly. Even when the air conditioner is running in the summertime, air flows through the furnace. The filter will need to be changed all year long. Anyone with pets will need to do this more often. You should also drain your water heater each year to evacuate buildup sediment. It's important to check on your under-sink piping regularly to confirm that any connections are still tight. If they feel loose, you can hand tighten them as needed. They will expand and contract with consistent exposure of hot and cold water, which may cause the leaking. We recommend creating a calendar reminder for the first of every month to remind you to change your furnace filter and to check under your sinks as well. Furnace filters come in various sizes. It is a good idea to snap a picture of your furnace filter so that you will have the correct size when you are purchasing replacements.